Hello everyone. First of all, we would like to thank our community members, those who already supported our work since months. Thank you so much to become a part of our community. And we are also grateful for every single viewer who is visiting our content and listening right now. Thank you so much for your kind comments, for your motivation, and for your curiosity to learn new topics. Thank you so much. If you are liking our content and want to learn more, we are inviting you to join our channel membership. So, till now, we worked on different national and international projects and delivered quality content with satisfying results. If you are a student or research scholar, you can contact us for specific guidance on your projects. As a part of our community, we can discuss things related to your research work and project implementation. And as a member, you will get early access to our new videos that we don't share anywhere else. And here you can see other benefits: loyalty badges next to your name, custom emojis, faster reply to comments. You can request new videos, and even you can request videos related to your research projects. We can conduct online classes and discuss topics. If you are serious about research work and want to learn and implement your ideas during research work or thesis work, click the join button and let's explore the algorithms together.